So you want to be all up in my business, huh? Trust me, I've probably watched every single video that exists on YouTube with the same exact title. It seems like in this day and age, it is completely taboo to talk about your finances. Like, for what? Why do people make it seem as if it's a sin to speak about your finances? I'm gonna be completely transparent about my finances. Of course, this is a finance channel, so why not? In this video, I'm gonna give you all the juicy facts, all the details about how much YouTube paid me my first month monetized. So if you wanna get up all in my business, just keep on watching. Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, my name is Lydia, and on this channel, we talk all things money, investing, and entrepreneurship. Now, before I even start to get into the juicy details about my finances, I just want to thank y'all for 10K. That means the world to me. Like, right now, I still cannot believe it is real. I love every single one of you. Oh, no, that was really awkward. So I'm just gonna start off by talking about my YouTube journey. So I actually started YouTube back in September. However, I took about a month break to focus on other projects and other things that I had going on in my life. Now, after I was done with that project, I went right back to YouTube because that's where my passion was. That's what I really enjoyed doing. So I went back to it. Now, after only 3 months of being on YouTube, I actually got monetized the very last day in December. Like, what a New Year's gift. Everybody and their mama knows you need 4,000 hours of watch time, not minutes, but hours of watch time. And also you need at least 1,000 subscribers in order to be monetized. You have to meet all those requirements before you can even apply for monetization. Now, even though I applied for monetization on the very last day of the year, my ads did not start running until around January 3rd. So this is when ads started to play on my video and I began to reap the benefits of my very hard labor. I mean, guys, YouTube is hard work. Don't let anybody fool you. Remember, you gotta get dressed. You gotta write a script. You gotta research your titles, edit your video, edit your thumbnails, write your description, do research, film the video. It is a lot of hard work, and that's why a lot of people burn out. But if you're really passionate about it, you'll just take it one step at a time, and eventually you will become successful. It literally takes me about 10 hours to get a video up, and that includes scripting, filming, editing, and all that good stuff that I just mentioned. So during my first month on YouTube, I actually had only 25 subscribers for that entire month. And trust me, those 25 subscribers were my friends and my family. Thank God for them. Listen, if my subscriber count went up by 1, I would celebrate. I would literally have a blast. No joke. Now I'm at a point where I'm gaining about 100 to 200 subscribers per day. And again, I really appreciate every single one of you for supporting me and supporting my channel. Now, in case you didn't know, this is not my first channel. I created a channel back in 2017 and I posted 3 videos, and then one day I was like, no, I can't do this, because I felt like I was just not growing fast enough. Not only that, I had a channel in which I was posting hair videos. Like, guys, you see me with my hair in a bun 95% of the times I'm making videos, because that's just me. I'm so simple. It takes me literally 30 seconds to pull my hair in a bun and then I'm out the door. So why am I gonna have a channel that caters to wigs and all these accessories that women wear, and I'm not even that type of person? So I felt like that channel just didn't fit my persona, and because of that, I just totally gave up. That was back in 2017. Now, around 2019, I was actually researching a lot about finances. I was researching a lot about the best stocks to buy, pretty much everything finance related, and I just fell in love with finance. And because of this, I've decided to create my own personal finance channel where I can have that creative outlet to express myself as it relates to personal finance. And voila, Lydia Great channel was born. And as you can see, even at the beginning of creating this channel, I had 25 subscribers. I kept going because I had a passion for the topic. Now back then in 2017, I gained 160 subscribers in about 2 weeks. And I just didn't feel that drive, that motivation to keep going because I was not passionate about that topic. And this is why I tell you guys, if you are gonna create a YouTube channel, make sure you're not just looking at the money, but whether or not you're actually passionate about that topic. That's what's gonna save you in the long run. So I'm just here to motivate you to start your own YouTube channel because there are a lot of people out there making millions per year. No joke. And again, YouTube is not only about the money, but I'm 100% sure there are so many people out there looking for side hustles, and YouTube can actually be one of them. Not only are you helping thousands of people, but you're actually being paid to help thousands of people. If you have a phone, you do not have an excuse as to why you don't have a YouTube channel. All you gotta do is just start. Once you've started, then just gradually upgrade your camera, gradually upgrade your microphone. Just take it one step at a time. Everything will come. So the big question is, how much YouTube paid me my first month monetized? Drum rolls, please. So as you can see, in the month of January, I actually got 176,000 views. Watch time was actually 14,000 hours. And I gained 6,700 subscribers in the month of January. Once again, thank you so much. Now, as you can see, in January, I posted only 3 videos. Only 3, guys. That's less than 1 per week. Horrible. One thing I would recommend anybody to do is to be consistent on YouTube. You have to show up, and that's something that I'm trying to work on. Now, as you can see, on February 1st, I started off with around 3,000 views, and then it bumped right up on the second day to 5,000. Then it went to 6,000, and still remained at 6, 5, 4. So on average, it was around 5,000 views per day that I was getting. This day I had an amazing day. It's the most views I've ever gotten in one day, 7,500. I'll always remember that number. Then here we go, around 6,000, 5,000 views. And I don't have to keep saying it because it is quite obvious. Now that's what it looked like for the month of January. That's what my views look like. Now let's look at the watch hours. These are the amount of hours that you guys were watching my video. So on average, around 500, I would say. As mentioned before, I get around 100 to 200 plus views every day. And that's exactly what you can see right here. Now, as you can see, when we go to estimated revenue, I made $5,642.48. That is how much YouTube paid me my first month being monetized. As you can see, guys, that is a full-time income. And to be making this amount with only 10,000 subscribers, I am truly grateful for. Now, if you want to know the strategies I used in order to get monetized in only 3 months, and also how I made that income with, at the time, way less than 10,000 subscribers, then you might want to click the link in my description box and get that ebook, because in that ebook I revealed all my tips and tricks, all my secrets, all the strategies I used in order to get monetized fast, made a full-time income from YouTube with less than 10,000 subscribers. Now keep in mind, this is not my only source of income. I do have several streams of income. If you're interested in seeing all my streams of income, comment below, because as I stated before, I'm trying to be extremely transparent with you guys. In no way am I bragging, because I mean, what's $5,000 to brag about? Now, as you can see, YouTube can be an amazing side hustle for those of you who are looking to make money online. Though if you're not passionate about it, I would not recommend. Do what you're passionate about, because passion pays. So that's how much YouTube paid me my first month monetized. Comment below and let me know if you would like to see a video of me revealing all my sources of income. Also, are you considering starting a YouTube channel? Comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on because you don't want to miss a video. Okay? Can't say I didn't tell you. I'll see you next time.